It's good to know you're alive, because I dreamed you had died, and your body was hopelessly mangled. Suddenly you were back, but you lacked so much vigor, and your psyche was hopelessly mangled. Death being dead, just a space in my head, somewhere between thought and expression. Alive, alive, are you hip to my jive? Are you dreaming of, dreaming of, dreaming? Are you somewhere beyond my control? Have lost all the senses I used to know. But where is the turnstile I used to call home? Where is the comfort, consciousness? Oh, it's good to know you're alive, because I dreamed you had died. All I thought that I knew was unknown. Death being dead, just a space in my head, somewhere between thought and expression.